Day one of the festival. You know we have to have the most important meal of the day? Breakfast.
The hotel restaurant really nice. I hope the food tastes just as good.
Chris make sure him head straight to the bacon. Me and the professor, we just move from beside him.
After we feed our face, it was shower. Then we meet the bus outside.
People, meet Lizzie, our chaperone. She's really nice.
She always on time. There was a demonstration happening, so we have to leave the hotel early to beat the traffic.
Day one was a good look. It was a very impressive setup.
And the Jamaican booth them just stand out with the black, green and gold. Plus, there was a Blue Mountain coffee booth.
Jamaica and the Philippines were the featured countries on the festival this year, so some special things was on display.
Like that special drinker where the man them fix up.
The best thing was, it was a non-alcoholic because me not do the liquor thing. Cheers to health and wealth. Me make sure my turn my back cause me no want the camera to see my face if it not tastes good. It nice.
Next, it was to the stage to look at the space. We couldn't really look at the space because it was occupied.
So, we just relax and go and pre the place.
We move around the place little and check out few of the other booths.
Then the gates were open, and trust me, people them come out.
When enough people reach now the venue, then the proceedings starts officially.
The ambassador spoke, and you know she got big up yard, right?
Journey this weekend to my own country, Jamaica, and to the Philippines in this vibrant Hangan Park. You will, of course, enjoy the distinctive sound and rhythm of our reggae music, and I'm so happy that we have rising reggae star Jalil performing here today. And of course, the energetic dance of Jamaica. And we have Dance Xpressionz, a renowned Jamaican dance group, So we invite you to take a trip to the Caribbean's premier tourism destination. So, in the melodious words of the reggae superstar, Jamaican reggae superstar, the king of reggae, Bob Marley, I invite you to let's get together and feel alright, to come to Jamaica and feel alright. Kamsahamnida, one love.
Thank you for sharing your insights with us.
Day 2, performance time. Get ready.
Dance Xpressionz!
Take it to them. Expressions. Take it to them. X to the P to the R to the E, double S to the I to the O N Z. Expressions are with them and we no afraid of nobody. Yo!
Nobody.
Make them know.